Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to explain about the Kotlin basics. I have divided the Kotlin basics into four parts. First one is introduction to Kotlin, data types and variables comes under the second part, and coming to third part is operators and control structures, and coming to fourth part, nullable versus non-nullable variables. First, coming to the first part, that's introduction to Kotlin. Actually, here we'll discuss what is Kotlin, how we may use in our daily lives, why we use Kotlin, all those things. Actually, coming to Kotlin, Kotlin is a fully compatible with Java, which works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Kotlin is easy to learn, especially if you are already learning Java. If you know the Java, it's very easy to use. Kotlin is used for in many web applications, server-side applications. Yeah, we go to the introduction to the Kotlin. Coming to the introduction part, the Kotlin is a contemporary programming language developed by JetBrains, the same company behind popular development tools like IntelliJ IDEA. Actually, coming to IntelliJ, uh, IntelliJ was developed by the same people who created the Kotlin, which is free to download. We can download it, which is free to IDEA. Use it. First thing, we'll download the IntelliJ IDEA. The Kotlin is statically typed general purpose programming language developed by JetBrains that has built world-class IDEs like IntelliJ, as I said first, IDEA, PHP Storm, AppCode, etc. Kotlin runs on the Java Virtual Machine (JVM) and can be compiled to JavaScript or native code, making it a versatile option for different platforms including Android, iOS, web, server-side application. As I said in the first slide, Kotlin is used for multiple things like mobile applications, server-side Android apps, web development, server-side applications, data science, and much more. Coming to the Kotlin IDE. Kotlin IDE is the easiest way to get started with an IDE. Integrated development environment is used to edit and compile the code, as everyone know. Coming to our first programming in Kotlin. Kotlin file will create one main.kt as Kotlin to print the code as hello world. The function main println hello world is a sample code we are using in this one. The function keyword is used to declare a function. A function is a block of code designed to perform a particular task. For an example, the main here it includes as a function. The main function is something you will see in every Kotlin program. The function is used to execute the code. Any code inside the main function, like in the curly brackets, will be executed. For example, this println hello world function is inside the main, so the meaning of that, it will be executed as the println function is used to print the output of the program. Yeah, same thing. The Kotlin raised as the preferred language for Android in 2017. Google officially announced Kotlin as the first language for Android app development. This endorsement solidified Kotlin's position as preferred choice for developers building Android applications. The key advantages of Kotlin for Android development: improved syntax and many things, null safety, program enhanced program performance, seamless integration with Java. Kotlin is interoperable with Java, allowing developers to gradually adopt Kotlin without having to rewrite entire applications. This makes it easier for existing projects to benefit from Kotlin features. Coming to data types and variables in Kotlin. The data types in Kotlin, suppose there are the values of my num, my double num, boolean text. These all comes under the data types in Kotlin. In Kotlin, the type of variable is decided by its value. Sometimes the data types first sorry first we will know about what are the different groups of data types. The data types are divided into different groups as numbers, characters, boolean, strings, arrays. First, numeric data types. As numeric data types comes like integer, long, short, byte. Integer represents a 32-bit signed integer. It is used to store whole numbers without decimal points. The long represents 64-bit signed integer. It is used for larger values to exceed the range of integer, like to exceed the range of the limit. The short represents 16-bit signed integer, generally used to save memory in large arrays where the memory savings are critical. Byte. It represents an 8-bit signed integer. It is mainly used for smaller ranges integer values. Double and float. The float, as everyone know, is it's used for floating point. It's not very critical. There's a character type data which is used to use the special characters like dollar, at the rate, exclamatory mark, blah blah blah. The string data type. The string data type represent a sequence of characters such as if at all we use the thing in the to print the statement as hello world. If we use an exclamatory mark, the string immutable, meaning that the values cannot be changed once created, but they can be concatenated and manipulated through various operations. The Boolean data type. Boolean represents a logical value and can hold either true or false. It is often used in conditional statements and loops. Array data types. For an example of array data types, represents a collection of elements which can be of any data. The size of array is fixed after creation. For example, array of 1 to 3 creates an array of integers. Nullable types in Kotlin. Types of nullable, which means that can hold a null value. For example, string question mark denotes a string that can either hold a string value or null. Unit type, nothing type, type aliases, any type. These are a few things. Not much important. Here are some of the distinctive aspects of Kotlin approach to data types compared to other programming languages. Automatic type reference, enhanced null safety, unified type hierarchy, extension functions. Here's an example for mutable read value, read only,